Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful, responsive, fully professional admin dashboard template, Angular 19, totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So guys, see the beautiful admin dashboard Angular 19. Look, see, just beautiful. With toggle sidebar, beautiful top search, notification pop-up and user pop-up as well. See guys. And here is a user toggle as well. And sidebar and the beautiful content section. See guys. Beautiful charts works well. Monthly revenue chart. See friends. All the things just work perfectly. Beautiful income donut chart and the footer and the beautiful sidebar as well with toggle functionality. The login page. See friends, the login page and the register page as well. See, with validation as well. So guys, see other pages like typography that have been used, the colors, tabular, the table icon which have been used, and the menu level. See guys, the multi-level navigation and the sample page, so you can use for other demo pages as well. And friends, let me show you its responsiveness. So guys, see, it's fully responsive, will work for all the devices. Guys, see, just brilliant. And friends, like always, I will share the course snippet link inside this video description. And friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here's contact us page. In this page, you will get my email ID, my Skype ID, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your work as well. And also my blog, you'll get multiple, or I can say all the free things like multiple admin dashboards in React.js, AngularJS, Vue.js as well. See, and multiple free e-commerce template as well. See guys, here is the latest I have posted. See the beautiful e-commerce template, and see, this is the best one in Next.js e-commerce template. See guys, fully functional and fully free of cost. So guys, after it, I will come with more dashboard as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.